Ever since I saw the movie Inception, I've been obsessed with spinning tops. In particular, I was obsessed with the idea that you could make a top spin forever. When I jumped on Google and YouTube, there were a few results for tops that spin forever, but all of these used a very specific top, usually with a magnet in the actual top itself. I was after a solution that would let me spin any top I wanted for as long as I wanted. Well, a few days ago, I found my solution, and it only cost me around $30. It's a chemical stir from Amazon, and it lets me spin almost all of my metal spinning tops for as long as I want. But how can a magnetic stirrer plate from Amazon rotate a non-magnetic spinning top? Let's take a step back for a minute and talk about electromagnetism. Specifically, I want to talk about Faraday's Law of Electromagnetic Induction, Lenz's Law, and Eddy Currents. I know, it's a lot, so I will leave links in the description to some amazing YouTube videos that break down these concepts in better detail than I ever could. And instead, I will take a very short amount of time to briefly cover these topics, knowing that if you still have questions, you can go there for better explanations. Let's start with Faraday's Law. Faraday conducted an experiment that was composed of a tube with copper wire wrapped around it that was then connected to a voltmeter. He proceeded to take a magnet and slide it inside of the copper tube, first from one direction and then the other. And he noticed that a voltage was produced in the voltmeter that corresponded to the speed, so how quickly he moved the magnet through the conductor, and also the direction. This is the fundamental principle for Faraday's Law. It states that a changing magnetic field, like the one moving through a coil of wire, will induce a voltage in a circuit. But how does a voltage lead to a moving top? To understand that, we need to talk about Lenz's law. Lenz explained that when a magnet is dropped through a conductive tube, an opposing magnetic field is generated that resists the falling of the magnet. He concluded that this opposing magnetic field had something to do with the electric voltage Faraday observed in his coil. It turns out those magnetic fields were being produced by eddy currents. These eddy currents look a lot like the eddy currents you see at the edges of fast-moving rivers, except inside of metal. These eddy currents spiral around and around the skin of the metal tube, which in turn produce magnetic fields that oppose the initial one. Now, let's take this information and apply it back to our spinning tops. If we can produce a rapidly changing magnetic field, one that in particular spins in a circle, we can induce eddy currents in our metal top that oppose that change, and in turn, drag the spinning top along with it. That's how this $30 chemical stir is able to rotate spinning tops, fidget spinners, and other metal objects. Inside is a bar with two magnets mounted on top of it. One with the north side facing up and the other with the south side facing up. As the motor spins, the rotating magnetic field is generated, and the top inside will then compensate for this change, dragging the top along with the magnet as it spins. And that's it. That's how any chemical stir can be used to make a spinning top spin forever. And not just spinning tops. This will also spin every metal thing you see on my desk. If you're the kind of person that likes to tinker, I would encourage you to search YouTube for tutorials on how to build your own chemical stirrer. It is surprisingly easy and can oftentimes be done using just common household parts. Here is a really cool trick you can do with this two-piece billet spin evolution top. Inside is a bearing connected to a rotating inner disc. Now, normally, when you spin this top up, everything will spin up together. But, because the magnet attracts the bearing and the metal inner disc, the evolution doesn't spin up fully until you engage the magnets. Now, a lot of the tops you see in my desk are unfortunately discontinued. They were part of a limited time group buy and now you can only buy them secondhand. But if you saw this video and you do want to buy your own spinning top, a website that I can personally highly recommend is billetspin.com. They release one-of-a-kind, limited-run tops all of the time, and all kinds of exotic materials, and right now they're selling their latest spinning top, the Billet Spin Gambit. This is actually a combination stemless top, golf ball position marker, poker card guard, and a fidget toy. And what I think is most unique is it uses a brand new, captivating spring method to hold the coin in, over using traditional magnets. It uses a spring and a ball bearing. If you think that's cool, you should go check them out at billetspin.com. I'm not sponsored by them in any way, I just really like their products and feel like more people should know about them. With that, I want to thank everybody for watching. It means a lot to me, and I hope this video has inspired you to go out and conduct your own experiments. Have a great week, and I'll catch you in the next video.